Hi and welcome to another video. So today I am going to show you how to fix or teach you how to fix cannot use the content in PS4. So if you're encountering the error message cannot use the content on your PS4, it typically indicates an issue with the digital content you are trying to access or licensing problem. And here are some steps you can take to try and resolve this error. So first is you need to restore licenses. This error can occur if your licenses for content are not properly synced. To restore licenses or your PS4, you need to go to settings and then go to account management and then restore licenses. This will refresh the licenses associated with your account and may resolve the issue. And you need to restart your PS4 and try assessing the content again. So next is to check internet connection. So ensure that your PS4 is connected to the internet and has a stable connection, because some content may require an active internet connection for verification or licensing purposes. So test your internet connection from the PS4 settings menu under network to test internet connection. And then if there are any issues with your connection, just try resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider for assistance. So next is to update system software. So make sure that your PS4 is running the latest system software. You need to go to settings and then to system software update and check for any available updates. And if an update is found, download and install it. Because keeping your system software up to date can also help address compatibility issues that may be causing the error. So next is to check PlayStation Network status. So occasionally the error may be due to maintenance or server issues on the PSN side. So visit the official PlayStation Network service status page or check official PlayStation social media accounts or any announcements or ongoing issues. And if there is a service outage, you may need to wait until the issue is resolved. Next is to restore default settings. So restore default settings. If the steps mentioned before does not resolve the issue or do not resolve the issue, you can try restoring your PS4's default settings. Just go to settings and then go to system and then click reset options and then click restore default settings. But note that this action will erase all your settings and return your console to its factory settings. So make sure to back up any important data before proceeding. And after restoring the default settings, just set up your PS4 again and try accessing the content. Next and last is to contact PlayStation support. Again, this is very important because if the error persists after trying the steps mentioned, it is recommended to reach out to PlayStation support for further assistance and make sure to provide them with specific error message and any relevant details about the content you are trying to access. We can provide more specific troubleshooting steps and help you resolve the issue. And it is important to note that specific steps to resolve this may vary depending on the nature of the content you are trying to access, because some content may have specific licenses or access requirements, and it is recommended to check the support documentation or contact the content provider for assistance if it is needed. So that is all for this video. I hope you will like, subscribe, and please hit the bell notification button so you won't miss any video. So thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.